Hello and welcome to the New Haven Museum. My name is Jason Bischoff-Wurstle, curator of the exhibit Factory. Factory tells the post-industrial underground history of the New Haven Clock Company. The colorful history of this building was often hidden in plain view. So the exhibit ends around 1990 and kind of early 2000s. And this was done sort of on purpose because of the space of the galleries. But the story doesn't end there, clearly. There were so many other stories involved. And as the 1990s went on into the early 2000s, you had so many different groups as the factory switched over. And as Kurtz 2 became Club International, a renowned strip club paradise for strippers and club goers, and the marks were left within the building itself. A colorful history there. And at the same time, you had outlaw biker gangs and cockfighting rings and more underground, more illegal, if you will, content. It's a little close in the canon of history. You kind of want to let 20 years go by to 30 years go by to gain a little perspective. And frankly, some of these things are still in motion, which is super exciting. And it's also really interesting to know that, again, the story didn't end, and the story hasn't ended to this day. To this day, the building is in flux, becoming new apartments and new homes and new artist-led workspace. So it will continue, and that too, the apartments, the developments, the film that's based on the story, all wrapped together to be part of this building's history and the show.